Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening settings on the source phone and locating the cellular or eSIM section. This is where carriers expose transfer tools. You need active internet so the phone can contact the carrier and have both devices nearby. Once done, tap the option labeled Add Cellular Plan, Transfer Number, or eSIM. Make sure to authenticate with your PIN or account password when prompted. This unlocks the QR generation step that follows. Now you follow the carrier prompts to export the number as a QR code. Tap the specific plan you want to move, then pick Export or Get QR Code. Carriers vary, but the flow is the same. You might be asked to verify identity. Use the carrier app, enter a PIN, or type an OTP sent to your email or current phone. Once verified, the device displays a QR image. Leave it visible and do not close settings until the receiving phone scans it. On the receiving phone, open Settings, choose Add Cellular Plan and use the scanner to capture the QR code on the source device. Follow on-screen activation steps, accept terms, wait for carrier provisioning, and then assign the number to your SIM or eSIM profile. Make sure mobile data is enabled so the carrier completes activation. Once the transfer finishes, you may need to reboot. If activation fails, toggle airplane mode, retry the QR scan, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.